Selecting the best recessed lighting for your kitchen sink involves several considerations. Firstly, let's explore the available options. One option is a PAR20 halogen recess kit. These kits often support higher wattage halogen bulbs, such as MR16s. They typically include the trim housing and the bulb itself. These are often available at major retailers like Home Depot and Lowe's. Be aware that these kits usually require a larger recessed hole, often around 6 and 1/8 inches. Secondly, consider LED recessed downlights. These utilize energy-efficient LED technology while still providing excellent light output. Many LED options are dimmable, which allows you to adjust the brightness to your liking. These are also available at Lowe's and Home Depot. An advantage of some LED units is that they may require a smaller recessed hole, sometimes around 4 and 7/8 inches. Thirdly, a gimbal recessed fixture with an MR16 bulb can be used. Gimbal fixtures feature an adjustable head, which allows for directional lighting. These kits also include the trim housing and the MR16 bulb. These may be found at electrical suppliers such as Cooper Electric. The recessed hole size for a gimbal fixture is usually a medium size, approximately 4 and 1/2 inches. Recessed hole size is a significant factor. The existing hole size will influence your choices. Measure the current opening to determine if you'll need to enlarge it or reduce it to accommodate the new fixture. Consider the trim size. The trim is the visible part of the fixture that sits flush against the ceiling. Select a trim that complements your kitchen style and color scheme. Light output is another key consideration. Halogen bulbs generally produce a brighter light than LED, but LED are more energy efficient and have a longer lifespan. Think about the desired brightness level when choosing your bulb type. Dimming functionality is also important. If you desire the ability to adjust the brightness of your lights, make sure to select a fixture and bulb that are specifically labeled as dimmable. Always use a compatible dimmer switch. Here are some additional tips. Instead of using a single light, consider installing 2 lights. This provides more even illumination across the entire counter area. When using 2 lights, place them approximately 24 to 36 inches apart. This promotes optimal light distribution. To further customize your lighting, consider installing a dimmer switch. This allows you to adjust the brightness as needed to create the perfect ambience. It is important to stress electrical safety. If you are not confident in performing the electrical work yourself, consult with a qualified electrician. Electricity can be dangerous, and it's always best to err on the side of caution. When selecting the right recessed light, consider the light's beam angle. The beam angle affects how focused or spread out the light is. A narrow beam angle creates a spotlight effect, while a wider beam angle provides more general illumination. Choose a beam angle that suits the task you're performing at the sink. Think about the color temperature of the light. Color temperature is measured in Kelvin. Lower Kelvin values, around 2700 to 3000 Kelvin, produce a warm, yellowish light. Higher Kelvin values, around 4000 to 5000 Kelvin, produce a cooler, whiter light. Select a color temperature that complements your kitchen's decor and personal preferences. Check the fire rating of the recessed light fixture. If the fixture is installed near insulation, it must have an insulation contact or IC rating. This indicates that the fixture is designed to safely come into contact with insulation without posing a fire hazard. Non-IC rated fixtures require a minimum clearance from insulation. Be mindful of the wattage limitations of your existing wiring. Do not install a fixture that exceeds the maximum wattage allowed by your circuit. Overloading a circuit can cause a fire hazard. When working with electrical wiring, always turn off the power at the circuit breaker before you begin. This will help to prevent electric shock. Use a voltage tester to verify that the power is off before touching any wires. When making electrical connections, use properly sized wire connectors. Ensure that the connections are tight and secure. Loose connections can cause overheating and electrical problems. Follow all applicable electrical codes and regulations. These codes are designed to ensure the safety of electrical installations. If you are unsure about any aspect of the installation process, consult with a qualified electrician. Before purchasing any recessed lighting fixtures, carefully measure the dimensions of the available space in your ceiling. This will help you to ensure that the fixtures will fit properly. Pay close attention to the depth of the fixtures, as some may be too deep to fit in shallow ceilings. Consider the accessibility of the junction box where you will be making the electrical connections. Ensure that the junction box is easily accessible and that there is enough room to work comfortably. If the junction box is difficult to access, you may need to install an extension box. When running new wiring, use the appropriate type of cable for the application. Non-metallic, or NM, cable is commonly used for residential wiring. Ensure that the cable is properly sized for the amperage of the circuit. Secure the cable to the framing members using cable staples. Avoid overdriving the staples, as this can damage the cable. When installing the trim, make sure that it is securely attached to the housing. Loose trim can rattle and create an annoying noise. Choose a trim finish that is durable and easy to clean. Consider the overall design of your kitchen when selecting the trim style. If you are installing multiple recessed lights, take the time to plan the layout carefully. Ensure that the lights are evenly spaced and that they provide adequate illumination to all areas of the countertop. Use a level to ensure that the lights are installed straight and that they are all at the same height. After the installation is complete, test the lights to ensure that they are working properly. Check the dimmer switch to ensure that it is functioning smoothly and that there is no flickering. If you experience any problems, consult with a qualified electrician. Regularly inspect your recessed lighting fixtures to ensure that they are in good condition. Check for any signs of damage, such as cracks or loose connections. Replace any damaged fixtures immediately. Clean the trim regularly to remove dust and dirt. Use a soft cloth and a mild cleaner. Avoid using abrasive cleaners, as they can scratch the finish. If you are planning a major kitchen renovation, consider hiring a professional lighting designer. A lighting designer can help you to create a lighting plan that is both functional and aesthetically pleasing. They can also help you to select the right fixtures and bulbs for your needs. Remember to dispose of old bulbs properly. Incandescent bulbs can be thrown in the trash, but compact fluorescent or CFL bulbs contain mercury and should be recycled. Check with your local recycling center for information on how to recycle CFL bulbs. When choosing recessed lighting for your kitchen sink, it is important to consider the overall ambience you want to create. Do you want a bright and cheerful space, or a more subdued and relaxing atmosphere? The type of lighting you choose can have a significant impact on the mood of your kitchen. Think about the tasks you typically perform at the sink. Do you primarily use it for washing dishes, preparing food, or both? The lighting should be appropriate for the tasks you perform. If you frequently prepare food at the sink, you will need brighter, more focused lighting. If you primarily use the sink for washing dishes, you may be able to get away with softer, more diffuse lighting. Consider the height of your ceilings. If you have high ceilings, you may need to use more powerful lights to adequately illuminate the space. If you have low ceilings, you will need to be careful not to install lights that are too bright, as they can create glare. Think about the color of your cabinets and countertops. Darker colors absorb more light, so you may need to use brighter lights to compensate. Lighter colors reflect more light, so you may be able to get away with using less powerful lights. Consider the other lighting in your kitchen. The recessed lighting should complement the other lighting in the room. If you have under-cabinet lighting, you will want to choose recessed lighting that is compatible with it. If you have a chandelier or pendant lights, you will want to choose recessed lighting that does not clash with them. Don't be afraid to experiment with different types of lighting to find what works best for you. There is no one-size-fits-all solution to kitchen lighting. The best way to find the perfect lighting for your space is to try out different options and see what you like. Before making any final decisions, it's beneficial to sketch out your lighting plan. This helps visualize the placement and effect of each fixture, ensuring even coverage and minimal shadows. Consider using a lighting design software or app to assist with this process. These tools allow you to simulate the lighting in your kitchen and experiment with different layouts. When installing recessed lighting, it is important to properly insulate around the fixtures. This will help to prevent heat loss and reduce energy costs. Use insulation that is specifically designed for use around recessed lighting fixtures. Ensure that the insulation is properly installed and that it does not come into contact with any of the electrical components. Consider the long-term maintenance cost of your recessed lighting fixtures. LED bulbs have a much longer lifespan than halogen bulbs, so you will not need to replace them as often. However, LED bulbs are typically more expensive upfront. Weigh the upfront costs against the long-term savings to determine which type of bulb is the best value for you. Regularly clean your recessed lighting fixtures to maintain their brightness. Dust and dirt can accumulate in the bulbs and trim, reducing the amount of light that is emitted. Use a soft cloth to wipe down the fixtures on a regular basis. Avoid using harsh chemicals or abrasive cleaners, as they can damage the finish. If you are not comfortable working with electricity, it is always best to hire a qualified electrician to install your recessed lighting fixtures. A qualified electrician will have the knowledge and experience to safely and properly install the fixtures, ensuring that they are in compliance with all applicable codes and regulations. They can also help you to choose the right fixtures and bulbs for your needs. Remember that safety should always be your top priority when working with electricity. Turn off the power at the circuit breaker before you begin any electrical work. Use a voltage tester to verify that the power is off before touching any wires. Wear appropriate safety gear such as safety glasses and gloves. If you are not sure about something, ask for help.